Welcome dear students. Today we are going to start a new chapter from geometry section in class 9 and the name of the topic is triangles. Very important topic. Okay, so let's see what is the meaning of triangle. We know that a closed figure formed by three intersecting lines is called a triangle, right? Because you know tri means three. Okay, so three straight lines, okay, when they intersect and form a closed figure, so that kind of figure is called a triangle. Okay, and in this triangle what you need to observe is it has got three sides, three angles and three vertices. Now for example, in triangle ABC, so you see in this triangle ABC, AB, BC and CA. So AB is this side, BC is this one and CA is this one. So they are the three sides. Okay, now angle A, angle B and angle C are the three angles. See, this is angle A, this is angle B and this is your angle C. Okay, so these are the three angles and A, B and C are the three vertices. That is this point. Vertices means the pointed edge. Okay, so this is your pointed edge. So this one, this edge, that is B, and this C, they are called the vertices of the triangle. Okay, so these are the basic things that you are expected to know from your junior class. Right, now in this particular chapter what we are going to do is we are going to learn about the congruence of a triangle. Now let's define what is the congruence of a triangle. Okay, now I am taking two triangles ABC and XYZ as you can see in the figure. So this is your triangle ABC and this is your triangle XYZ. Okay, now let us treat triangle ABC and triangle XYZ such that the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are equal. So corresponding angles and corresponding sides are equal means what? It means that corresponding side, so angle A corresponds to angle X. Okay, so angle A is equals to angle X. Okay, these are corresponding angle. Angle B is lying out here and angle Y is lying out here. Okay, so they are called angle B and angle Y are called the corresponding angles, so they are also equal. Similarly angle C and angle Z, they are equal. Okay, so basically what you understood from the first ray is the corresponding angles are equal in both the triangles. Okay, and with that you must have AB equals to XY. So AB must be equals to XY, BC must be equals to YZ, that is BC must be equals to YZ, and AC, that is this must be equals to XZ. Okay, so if this thing happens, if these six things happens, that is three corresponding angles and three corresponding sides are equal, then we say that the two triangles ABC and XYZ are congruent. We call them the congruent triangles. Okay, I hope the meaning of congruence is clear to you, right? All right, now we'll observe these two. Okay, now we see that triangle ABC coincides with the sides of triangle XYZ. Same thing, we observed the earlier diagram, isn't it? So this one and this one both represents that earlier diagram. Now all of you know that these two are congruent, isn't it? Now what is the symbol for congruency? That's the question. You see this symbol out here? This symbol is called symbol of congruency. So we can say triangle ABC is congruent to triangle XYZ in this way. Okay, so two triangles are congruent if all the sides and all the angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding sides and angles of the other triangle. That's what we have learned just now. Okay, right. Now this also means that A corresponds to X, B corresponds to Y and C corresponds to Z. Okay, see here carefully. This A corresponds to X, B corresponds to Y and C corresponds to Z. That's what is the meaning of this. Okay, now for any two congruent triangles, the corresponding parts are equal and termed as CPCT. Okay, so CPCT stands for corresponding parts of congruent triangles. For example, if you have triangle ABC congruent to triangle XYZ, we say that AB is equals to XY. Why? Because the corresponding part of AB is XY. Okay, so that's why we can say if there is triangle ABC congruent to triangle XYZ given to you, then you can say that by CPCT corresponding parts of congruent triangles AB must be equals to XY. Okay, so that's what is the meaning of CPCT. Very important while proving the sums. Okay, or while doing the sums. Okay, well, now we'll see few criteria for showing that two triangles are congruent. So there are 5 criterias. Okay, so first is SAS, another is ASA, angle side angle, AAS, SSS, RHS. Okay, see here carefully, it is AAS. Okay, and you don't have SSA. If you see here, you don't have SSA. So when you solve problems, kindly don't make use of SSA. That criteria is not present out here. Okay, now let's understand one criteria at a time. So first one is side angle side congruence. Side, alright, just wait a minute. So this side and this side, they are equal. That's what is the meaning of this line. This side and this side, they are equal. That's what is the meaning of this. And since angle is in between two sides, okay, so that's why these two sides are given. So in between these two sides there is this angle given to you, isn't it? So that's why we say this is side angle side. Okay, side angle side. So if any two sides, okay, if any two sides, that is this one and this one and this one and this one, or two triangles are same and the angle formed by those two angles are also same. So angle formed by this and this is this one, and angle formed by this and this is given to this one. So if this happens, then we say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SAS criterion. By SAS criterion. Side AC is equals to PQ, you see. AC is equals to, I'm sorry, it's not PQ, it's PR. Okay, it's PR. Okay, it's kindly make a correction of this. This is PR. Angle C is equals to angle R. SA is covered. Now one more S is required, and S is this one, that is BC is equals to QR. Okay, so SAS, using SAS we say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by SAS congruence. Alright, fine. Now next is ASA congruence. ASA congruence. So look at this. Angle, angle, side, side, angle, angle. That's what we see from the figure, isn't it? So basically side is in between two angles. See, this is one angle, this another angle. So the side in between these two angles is this one. The side in between this angle and this angle is this one. Okay, so that's why using ASA, angle side angle, we say that these two triangles are congruent. Angle 1, okay, so angle 1 is BAC. BAC is this angle, remember, is equals to EDF, that is this angle. Okay, side, that is AC is equals to DF. Last angle, angle 3 is ACB is equals to DFE. Okay, so if this happens, then we say that these two triangles are congruent by ASA congruence criterion. Simple. Okay, so you need to keep this thing in mind. So far we have learned, remember we have learned SAS, the first congruence, second one is ASA, right? Now next is AAS. Now the side is kept later. Okay, now let's look at this very carefully. Okay, this diagram, first angle, then side. Okay, angle, angle, then side. So you clearly see that angle BAC is this one, is given to be equal to QPR. QPR means this angle. So this angle and this angle, they are equal. Now another, we need to deal with another angle. So next is CBA is equals to RQP. CBA is this angle and RQP is this angle. So they are also given to be equal. So angle, and the next side is this one, isn't it? So BC is given to be equal to QR. Okay, so that's why using AAS criterion, we see triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR, right? Okay, so first one SAS, next one ASA, third one we did was AAS. Now the next is SSS. Very simple, side. AC is given to be equal to PQ, QR is given to be equal to BC, and AB is given to be equal to PQ from the diagram. So that's why using SSS we say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, remember this is your SSS. Now the last one is RHS congruent. So RHS congruence is valid only in right angled triangle, because here this R stands for right angle. So you see here you have right angle 90 degree, here also you have got right angle. Now after right angle you must have hypotenuse. So side opposite to your 90 degrees hypotenuse. So AC is given to be equal to the hypotenuse DAF, isn't it? Okay, and S is any of the remaining side. So you have got two sides remaining AB or BC, and here DE or you have EF. And from the diagram it is given that BC is equals to EF. So this side is equal. So see here carefully, right angle, hypotenuse, and any of the side, that is BC, is given to be equals to EF. So if this happens, then according to RHS criterion we say that these two triangles are congruent. Let me repeat once again. RHS is valid only for right angled triangle. Okay, so this is called your RHS congruence, right? So today we have covered the topics or the criterion which decides the congruency of two triangles. Okay, so from the first exercise from your book, I'll be taking only the first question. Okay, so from exercise 9A, let me take the first question. Question says, if the following pair of triangles congruent? That's what the question is asking you. State the condition of congruency. So see here, in number A, there are 5 questions, sub questions. So triangle ABC and triangle DEF are given. AB is given to be equal to DE, BC is given to be equals to EF, and angle B is given to be equals to angle E. Now this is what is given in words. Let's try to draw the diagram. See here carefully, draw triangle ABC, draw DEF. Okay, now it is said that AB is equals to DE. So that's why I have drawn AB with blue line, DE also with blue line, and since they are equal, I have put this mark. Alright, now BC is given to be equals to EF, so BC is equals to EF. Angle B is equals to angle E, so angle B is out here, angle E is out here. Now kindly look at this. This angle is lying in between this side and this side. This angle is lying in between this side and this side. So can I use SAS? Definitely, right? Because angle is in between two sides. So that's why using SAS we say that these two triangles are congruent. Simple? Very good. Let's move to next question, number B. In triangle ABC and DEF, angle B is equals to angle E and they are 90 degree. AC is equals to DF and BC is equals to EF, right? So angle B and angle E are equal. That's what is given. Okay, AC is equal to DF. AC is given to be equals to DF, right? Okay, now BC is given to be equals to EF. Now kindly look at this carefully. This is your right angle, right? This one and this one, they are right angle. AC and DF, they are your hypotenuse, they are also equal, and the remaining side BC is equals to EF. So obviously this is these two triangles are congruent using right RHS criterion, right? Okay, fine. You may pause the video and note down the solution. Let's move to the next question. So next question says, in C, triangle ABC and QRP. Okay, so there are two triangles ABC and QRP, where AB is given to equals to QR. So AB is given to equals to QR. Angle B is given to be equals to angle R. Angle B is given to be equals to angle R. Okay, and another one is angle C is given to be equals to angle B. Angle C is given to be equals to angle P. Now here, see, this S you see out here is after two angles A, S, A, S, right? Right? Okay, so that's why we say that these two triangles are congruent using AAS criterion. I hope this thing is clear to you. Very good. Let's take another question number D. Triangle ABC and triangle PQR with this happening. Okay, so AB is equals to PQ, right? Okay, and BC is equals to QR. I'm sorry, there's some mistake. I think I have written AB equals to PQ twice. Okay, so BC is given to equals to QR, and the last one is given to AC equals to PR. Okay, so AC is given to be equals to PR. So clearly from the diagram you draw, you come to know that they are congruent using SSS criterion. Alright, now the last and very tricky one. So this thing is given to you. So let's draw the corresponding diagram. So angle A is given to be 90 degree, angle C is given to 40 degree. Okay, so in triangle ABC, angle is given to be 90 degree and angle C is given to be 40 degree. Okay, in angle B, in another triangle PQR, see here carefully, in PQR, angle C is given to angle R is given to 40 degree. Angle Q is given to 50 degree. Now will you be able to find the third angle? Obviously, isn't it? See, these two gives you 90. Sum of these two is 90. Now obviously this also has to be 90, because you know that sum of interior angles has to be 90. So that's why this also has to be 90 degree. Simple. And another thing that is given to us is BC is equals to QR. So BC is equals to QR as per the diagram. Now kindly look at this carefully and tell me which kind of criterion is this. This is angle side, isn't it? Angle side. So that's why using AAS, see, I have just shown you how to get this angle to be 90. This is not given, right? So this part shows that this is angle 90 degree. So that's why using, this is not RHS, please remember, right angle, hypotenuse, that they are given, but one of the side is not given, isn't it? It is not said that PQ is equals to AB or PR is equals to AC. So that's why I cannot use RHS here. This is angle side, angle side. Okay, so using AAS criterion, we see that these two triangles are congruent. Alright, so today we will do only this much. You may pause the video and note down your solution. We will continue with the same exercise in the next class, or we'll meet in the next video. Thank you very much.